Take the roundabout. Continue straight.
You've been working all your life, all weekends and overtime, while you're trying.
Jeez, what a bitch.
Amateur actor, he was a mimic, but the friendship is a one-way street. Arnold is suspicious of immigrants and isn't fond of any German-speaking pigs floating around. He wins Fuchs's trust, but Fuchs doesn't win his. He just considered them having had a different upbringing, different values.
With the things happening in Eastern Europe, with the red witch hunt in the United States, the climate change.
Hello, officer. What's the problem? Get out of the car.
Wow.
Video protected.
Fuck, mate.
Video protected.
Wow, just blow through that stop sign.
Can't park there, mate. Far out. Good job, dickhead. You're a fuckwit, mate. Yeah, you. Look at the cut in front of me for you, fucking idiot. Go the same lane. Fuck you. Don't get involved.
It's a no standing zone.
Yeah. I was retaliating with every single one.
stopping behind the line. I'm not going to trigger the light sitting there.
Raj, move your fat fucking ass!
I really wanted to impact we were going to play in the rough. He made me shoot a full board, and I had to sit in that goal square and listen to that bloody comedy cheers. It was a nice bug. He was looking for a while, but he never seems to get this though. It's one of the good things about becoming mates with Nick Post is that any time we have a beer, at some stage through the night,
Fucking dash cam that one.
well, you've shown us about 8 times. You do reckon this interview. I didn't know it happened. It was an air rush. I tell you when I see it. That by Thomas! Yes!
What are you doing? Fuck off! Wow, what a douchebag. He's still going.
Fuck, no.
Sheffit.
Sheffit.
Bro's like, oh, I'm just gonna speed down all the side of these cars because I've got a four-wheel drive. Oh, look, he's going for it again.
Is that what he did before?
Yeah, he came down the bike lane. Who the fuck are you honking at?
Wankers.
Oh my goodness. 2 of them. Go straight through the red light.
That's been replaced recently.
Oh, naughty, naughty, naughty! Another one.
Wow. Nice. One KS 3HL. Really?
Oh, I smell something funny. Oh my God, it's the shitbag titty fuck of the week.
What the fuck? Well, that was a red light.
Yeah, Alexis hasn't like opened Snap since for a while now, and now
Really?
I think her party's started.
He just got through a red light.
Bro heard the button and he's like, oh.
Nice brake lights. Get off your fucking phone! Oh my god!
Bond. James Bond.
Do you know?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, green.
Yo! That was pretty good. That was pretty good.
All right, Simpson, you win this round.